You just finished lunch. Somewhere deep inside your belly, a party is only just getting started. Trillions of tiny creatures are waking up right now, rubbing their invisible hands together, hoping you left them something good to eat. They influence more of your body than you'd ever guess. Scientists call this hidden crowd your gut microbiome. Trillions of bacteria living in your intestines, doing jobs you never asked them to do. They help you digest food, build your immune system, and may even influence your mood. A world inside you and you're the landlord. Here's the catch. These tiny tenants are picky eaters. They only eat something called fiber, the crunchy, chewy, stringy part of fruits, vegetables, beans, and whole grains. You can't digest fiber, but your gut bacteria can. When they eat fiber, they make tiny chemicals that help keep your gut healthy. A researcher at the University of Minnesota found something that should make you a little nervous. His team studied women who had moved from Southeast Asia to the United States. Back home, their meals were built around rice, vegetables, and fiber-rich plants, and their gut bacteria formed a rich, diverse little jungle. But once those people settled in America and started eating a more processed, low-fiber diet, several types of bacteria almost disappeared, like animals on the brink of extinction on a tiny island. Your gut bacteria can vanish, and they may be difficult to recover. Every meal you choose is basically a vote for which tiny creatures get to survive inside you. So scientists went looking for the opposite question, not what starves your gut bacteria, but what makes them flourish. A massive research effort called the American Gut Project studied thousands of people's poop, yes, actual poop, to figure out what made someone's microbiome healthy and diverse. They found that people who ate the widest variety of plants, around 30 different kinds a week, had the most diverse gut microbiomes. That's because different plants feed different kinds of bacteria. 30 plants sounds like a lot, but a plant just means a different kind of plant food. Apples, almonds, beans, and even the herbs sprinkled on your dinner count. So what should you actually do? Right now, online, a whole trend has exploded around this idea. People call it fibermaxxing, and it's everywhere. Smoothies stacked with seeds, giant salads, fiber challenges filling up phone screens. A lot of it comes from a real place. Most people, kids and grown-ups both, eat way less fiber than their bodies actually need. Dietitians at places like the Mayo Clinic say feeding your gut bacteria fiber-rich plant foods is a good idea. But here's what those videos usually skip. Most of those fiber challenges are built for grown-up bodies, since adults need more fiber a day than kids do. So chasing the same number as an adult influencer isn't the goal for kids. Your gut bacteria also don't want you to rush. Add too much fiber too fast, and you'll feel it. Bloating, tummy aches, a lot of awkward moments. Your gut bacteria need time to grow, the same way a garden needs time before it fills up with flowers. Even Mayo Clinic's own patient guidance says almost the exact same thing, advising people to add fiber gradually over several weeks, so the natural bacteria in their digestive system have time to adjust. It also recommends drinking plenty of water because fiber soaks up water like a sponge, and it needs that water to do its job properly. Think about that the next time you are deciding between a candy and an apple. Eating an apple with fiber means you are feeding a hidden civilization that's been living inside you since before you could walk. One that shapes your digestion, your energy, maybe even how you feel today. You finished lunch a while ago. Deep inside your belly, that party is just getting started. And what you have eaten decides who gets invited.